to weather, Kamaka Pili.
In Hawaiian, for surfing, the word is he'enalu, to slide on the wave. As we take a peek into tomorrow's slide into Sunday, we're looking at moderate threats across the board with the exception of our jellyfish, or Pololea. That's on high. We are expecting the jellyfish to be on our south-facing shores for the next few days, but everything else is slightly increased, and that's because we are in a slightly unstable atmosphere right now. Flash flood watch remains in effect for the island of Kauai at least until tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. That flood advisory that was in effect earlier this afternoon has since been discontinued, but the land is very saturated, and we do expect a lot more moisture to come through this evening into the early morning hours of tomorrow. And with the strong winds not only triggering that small craft advisory until Monday, but it's also increasing the east-facing shores. We're starting to see 6 to 8 footers build by tomorrow afternoon. We have the potential of reaching advisory levels once we start off the new week because, again, our winds are going to be strengthening up. Our north-facing shores are coming down with the west, 5 to 7 up north, 2 to 4 for the west, along with the south. But again, jellyfish will be visiting, so take that into account before you jump into the ocean. As mentioned, the easterly trades will continue to strengthen, and we are in more of a northeasterly flow, but that's going to be veering more direct east. So it may get just a slight, little bit warmer across the islands than we've been experiencing the past couple days. It's actually been quite chilly. But what we're going to be experiencing is this high pressure system that's north of the islands will move a little bit more towards the southwest, and that will tighten the pressure that's over the islands, and that will result in stronger winds. So starting tomorrow and leading into Monday, we're going to start to experience more 30-mile-per-hour winds, gusts surpassing that. And while that winds are coming in from the east, it's pushing this old cold front boundary back towards the islands, and that's going to be a big weather maker for the second half of the week. A lot of rain is expected in this extended forecast. In addition to that, we have not just this cold front that will be also playing a role in our winds, but it's also bringing an upper level disturbance, and the combination of all of those is what's going to create this instability in our atmosphere to linger. Now, tomorrow may actually be a little break from the shower activity, at least to the amount that we've seen today, but once we get into the new week, we're going to have this upper level disturbance really sweep over the islands, and again, in combination with this low-level moisture, and a lot of it is still situated towards the east, that's only going to bring instability back towards the islands. But starting tomorrow, the threat of thunderstorm activity will be for Hawaii Island, and that threat will actually move over all the islands as we move into the middle of the week. Until then, it is not a quiet evening tonight. We are going to be experiencing more shower activity. The gauges for Kauai and here on Oahu continue to see numbers increase. And as we take a peek into the middle of this upcoming week, again, winds will be strengthening, a little period of southeasterly winds in the middle of the week, but then those trade winds return by next weekend. Sam, I give it back to you.